Katizawi Pamdakle Pamni, Jingin Kapamli, as I say, Ishorta Hijasi, shall we bow our head together and pray? Loving Lord, Heavenly Father, we thank you and praise you for the beautiful morning and have given us a good climate. Thank you and praise you once again for the flower. Thank you for the festival. Thank you for the chief guests of honor, special invitees, all the congregation, which is set before us. We're going to perform in various activities. Help us and guide us from beginning to the end. All these things we pray in Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank you, Pastor. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Isaac, the former Vice Chairman of Ukhrul Autonomous District Council, and Mr. Tota Seng Changlai, former ADC member, and Mr. Ashang Kasar, former MLA candidate of Pungyar Assembly constituency. We would like to give time to Mr. Ngachan Luirai, convener Shuri Lily Festival LOC, for the welcome address and presentation. And right after his speech and presentation, I would like to give the time to Tourism Department and Tangkhul Naga Ungnalong for the presentation. You may kindly take your time one after another.
Thank you, conveners, for giving me these ties. First of all, before I pronounce welcome address, I would like to introduce VVIP on the ties. So first, our respected and honorable SHIRUI Kamchan Singh, Honorable Minister RT and PR, Mahut Government of Manipur. May you kindly raise up once, please, and kindly receive our token of love. Hey. Next. Okay, next, our guest of honor, Queer Leishio Kashing, Honorable MLA 43 AC Pungyar. May you kindly stand up, please. Sir Leishio Kashing, Honorable MLA 43 Pungyar AC. Next, we have His Excellency Dr. Harikumar Palatagar, Chancellor, Manipur International University. May you kindly stand up once to receive our token of love. Again, we want to give a token of love to Ma'am Mrs. Y. Kamchan Singh, Honorable Minister Mahodan RT. May you kindly stand up once, please. Chipana Arung. Next again, we have a small token of love to the following persons. His Excellency Ambassador Gautam Mukhopadhyay, former ambassador to Myanmar. May you kindly stand up once, please. Next, again, we have Bhanu Pratap Singh, founder Northeast Farmers Aiders Promotion. May you also kindly stand up and receive our small token of love and grazie. Again, President TSL, President TSL, next, President Temener, President TSL. President Temener, President Tangkhul Kadamnao Saklong, I think he's absent. Temener is here. But what about Tangkhul Kadamnao Saklong? He's absent. Anyway. Again, we have a special guest again here. Oh. Next, Quir and Isaac, former Vice Chairman, ATC Crew. Next, we have Quir Thotai Sangrai, former ATCU crew. Then again, we have concern. Then we have Director Tourism. So please, this is our token of love. Then we have a guest again, DIG CRPF Info, and CO CRPF Info. Would you kindly come up and receive our token of love on the stage, please? Again, Reverend Alex Shang, please receive our souvenir. Okay. Good morning and welcome to one and all on this very beautiful day. Our honorable chief guest, guest of honor, special guest, invitees, and dignitaries and bureaucrats present here today. We the Shuri villagers warmly welcome you all. Shuri village is a very beautiful village indeed. Most of the time, most of the people in the state as well as outside the state heard the name Shuri. Not because of the Shuri people, but because of the Shuri lily, the only flower in the world which denies to grow outside her habitat, Shuri Kishon. Today, our chief guest, guest of honor, special guests, and special invitees as well as other dignitaries hope that you all are here despite your diet schedule program to grace this function as chief guests and different functionaries. Moreover, as to promote and conserve and preserve this unique Shuri lily as well as to develop this Shuri village indeed, since this festival will go on observed. Hence, without your help and without your contribution, as well as without your assist, we the villagers could not develop and do nothing. Hence, the sole responsibility of the future of this village is in your hand. Likewise, our honorable chief guest, he is indeed a shaper and a builder of this village, indeed. Yes, indeed. In the last third edition, he came to Shirui Lily Festival as chief guest. On the day, he used to organize Shirui Lily Night with his initiative. On that very day also, all the people around the district enjoy his program. In the same way, today, he inaugurated the registration office of the Shirui Youth Club. The registration office was indeed constructed with his own pocket, not with the assistance of the government. So we really thank, and we the villagers, youngsters and the young generation will remember him on and on. Likewise, our special guest, Chancellor Hari Kumar, he is very much concerned to our village, and he have many plans to develop and to install in this village, and hope that he may plan out again more plans and more programs. So next celebration of this Shuri Lily State Level Festival, you may witness more development through their initiatives. Lastly, we the villagers hope that the people of the world around will see Shuri village not by our own development and not by our own construction, but through your help, assistance, and through your contribution, the world will witness this village as a new model village in the near future. With this very few welcome words, as well as appeal to the chief guest of honor, special guests, and all the dignitaries, as well as my concerned honorable MLA, we the villagers appeal and hope that you will do something and the changes will come and see in the next edition. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuira Ngachan Luirui, convener of SLF LOC, for the welcome address and presentation. Thank you, Tourism Department, for the presentation as well. The Tangkhul Naga Ungnaulong would like to present a few gifts to the chief guest, the guest of honor, Kuira Ramuiva, the Honorable MLA of 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, the special guest, and Sri Ilangbam Premjit, EE PIU1 Ukhrul Rural Engineering Department. The Tangkhul Naga Ungnaulong may kindly take the time for the presentation. First of all, to the chief guest of the day, Sri Y. Kemchan Singh.
With the permission of the Gambir, I just would like to take a moment in the presenting the presentation where I left out my honorable MLA, Sir Ramuiva. So may you kindly stand up once and receive our token of love. I hope that you won't mind, but I left it out.
Mr. Ilangbam Premjit, EE of PIU1 Ukhrul Rural Engineering Department. Yes, the Tangkhul Naulong would like to appreciate your generous help and contribution to the poor and the needy. Thank you, Tangkhul Naga Naulong, for the presentation. I would like to give this time to the special guest of the day, Dr. Harikumar Palatatkar, Chancellor, Manipur International University, Imphal, for the short speech. You may kindly take your time.
Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Y. Kemchan Singh Ji, Guest of Honor, all the special invitees, all the dignitaries on dais, all the elders, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, everyone. This is a blessed land. beautiful place, peaceful and friendly people, warm hospitality, and tasty food. Natural beauty is one of the best. This place is also one among the top 10 biodiversity hotspots in the world. We need to protect, preserve, and do extensive research on this SHIRUI lily, one and only flower. Traditionally, this unique flower represents kindness, protection, prosperity, and a happy life. We need to welcome tourism with open hands. Sustainable tourism will generate livelihood opportunities for the talented youth. This should not be confined only for one day or for a few days. It should be an all-year-long practice towards development and empowerment of people by creating various opportunities. We have to celebrate this each and every day. This should also pave the way towards protecting, preserving, and promoting our rich culture, tradition, and heritage. At the same time, we should not forget the supreme sacrifices made by our elders. Mother and motherland are superior even to heaven, and we should be proud of that. We are a perfect example for unity is diversity, and this festival also shows the same. Thank you to the state government and organizing committee for organizing this beautiful festival. And I wish this state festival to become national and international in the coming days. Thank you, Honorable Khemchandji, for loving the people of SHIRUI. Finally, thank you for calling us to this wonderful festival. We are grateful to the organizing committee and village authority. We will be actively participating in the overall development of SHIRUI village with active cooperation from the villagers. SHIRUI village is going to transform in the coming days. Let us wait and watch for action. If God willing, let us join hands together for having a bigger ground, like Bakshi ground, here itself in SHIRUI village. Thank you everyone. May God bless. Kuknalim. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Harikumar Palatkar, for the beautiful words and the encouragement you have shared with us. We will have a special appearance, a special performance by the one and only Mr. Oshimo. So let us all welcome Mr. Oshim to the stage with a big round of applause.
Hello, hello. Volume. Round Tangkhul kapung 아브람리 원누람 마누림 리리와 나항아로케 가바이 옥튀나 리오자 기빨링아 是太的里，当苦皮拉不啊可萨的，是为个胸中力挽进热浪，那宁人去把里可么去推。个像个甜的了，那个嘴里里里我当苦个不美呢，阿不让为是瑞里里我。胸为里里我，那里趴着呀软听听，我寻我呀那里趴克拉，去巴里个帕，宁里海的泪，那宁人去马里克么去推，马黑着我推，个像个甜了了，马个嘴里里里我当苦个不美呢，阿不让为是瑞里里我。那宁人去马里克么去推，马黑着我推，个像个甜了，马个嘴里里里我当苦个不美呢，阿不让为是瑞里里我。
Thank you, Queer Oshimo, for the very powerful and a beautiful number. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Mr. Oshimo. Thank you so much. I would like to give this time to the honorable guest of honor of the day, Queer Leishio Keishing, Honorable MLA 43 Pongyer Assembly Constituency.
Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Y. Khemchan Singh, Honorable Minister, RDPR, and Mahood, and his lady wife, and our distinguished guests who are gathered here, and all the audience and visitors and who have come all the way from Imphal and many parts of India. It is a great privilege for me to stand in front of you and as a host or as an organizing committee, I welcome every one of you in this very auspicious occasion. I'll speak in Manipuri, which is much more handy for me. Ngasi sumba nungairaba thauram sida lengsan birakpa mayam pumnamak po amukka hanna harau taramna okjaba amadi thagatba phongdokjabani akogi Tangkhul haiba tribe macha sigi akogi amatangairaba lei SHIRUI lili haiba lei sigi uniqueness mayam na khangmani amakakta magi top amadi atopada tharasu ꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯛꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯩꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯨꯒꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯔꯨꯏ ꯂꯤꯂꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ 2022 ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ 4th season ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯩ ꯁꯣꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯁꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯤꯔꯥꯔꯨꯈꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯃꯔꯣꯛꯀ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯣꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯖꯤꯅꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯎ ꯃꯔꯣꯛ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯂꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯁꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯌꯣꯡꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯍꯨꯏ ꯍꯥꯎꯐꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯦꯃꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯜ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯁꯦꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯣꯃꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯁꯇꯤꯀꯦꯇꯦꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯊꯨꯟꯁꯨ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯣꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯈꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯗ ꯀꯟꯐꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯥꯏꯇꯦꯝꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯁꯣꯡꯁ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯟ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯚꯤꯅꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯌꯔꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯂꯣꯡ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯥꯡꯔꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯪꯁꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯔꯨꯏ ꯂꯤꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯋꯤꯠꯅꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯎꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯝꯕꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 4 days ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯚꯦꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ electronic media through the yengmasing mayamna su si hayingna aroibani aduna mayamna laraga witness tawbiu amadi sigumba picturesque oiba scenic beauty laiba mafam si witness tawbiu sida laaga ningam daba amadi kari dawbai lakpano hay khalloi si laaga new experience phangani do mayamna si laaga witness tawbiu asigumba festival si support tawbiu haibasi haijaraga lakpa mayambo thagatpa phongdokjaba loina nasida tension lage. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Guest of Honor, for the speech, wise words, and the encouragement you have shared with us today. I would like to request the Kankhui Pungter Students Union to present us with the cultural dance. Kangkhui Pungter Students Union Nashinan Kangaran Kubaika stage with Mangali Ralaga Nashi with traditional cultural dance. Rasamik by request sadly. Thank you so much, Kanghui Pungter Students Union, for the symbolic, powerful, and colorful performance. It was beautiful indeed. Now I would like to give this time to the Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Sri Y. Khemchan Singh, Honorable Minister, RD and PR, Mahut, Government of Manipur.
Yawailu, Yawaise. Good afternoon. All the respected dignitaries on the dais, among the Dingjin Viriba, Punang Poini Kai Kunuchari, Samna, Mamang the SHIRUI Festival Togibasi, Handakna. Hena chanaba weather SHIRUI gi lay satpa matam oibasina amuk hena nungayali aina tamjaningi si 1946 ta SHIRUI lili si McDenny Silly haiba khigi botany research to bi UK degi lakpi ta kanda mana identify tawraga SHIRUI lili sit maming thon birambani. So high river botany gi huigi research to bi magi maming mana tholamba maming sina ngasi Prithivida SHIRUI lili si recognize tawrini adana aina mayam da request to si magi damta ahuba khwam to kubiu. Secondly, high river npsina SHIRUI lili si puthok maming puthok galuna research to galuna 1948 ta Royal Horticulture Society da ma prize su phangi aduna aduki matik sagi thijin biramba leramba porama thijin biramba dugi nongai jabuduni fauzari se aduga lotion jabada I tentang thamjarage lotion jabada thamjaningi se khogi gradually SHIRUI festival si chai kudingi khogi maman jam kulak puto na mayam ki demand adi coining ba helak pa maram di Impal da maybe around 30 muk sauri temperature Impal da 30 da lady suri 20 kya masla weather maybe around 20 so asa batu dagi yamna nungai na lakpa madi SHIRUI buning ga ukhul gi sinau mayam su na ba tongan ba khogi Prithivigi natraga tongan mi India ki mafum kya dagi sulak pidna SHIRUI lili festival ji koi sida unaba amadi akoi masen amaga nuksi chanana ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯂꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯃꯆ
Thank you very much to our honorable chief guest of the day, Shuri Y. Kempton Singh. With this opportunity, I would like to take the time for a special acknowledgement, especially for those who don't know why our chief guest of today's program is very special, especially for the Shuri Youth Club and the people of Shuri. He is the one, out of his very own money, donated and gives the registration office to us, to the youth club of this village. Sir, although your name is engraved in the stone, but more importantly, your name will be forever engraved in the heart of the Shuri Youth Club and in the heart of the Shuri people. You are truly an example of open-handed and munificent. What a man you are, sir. We are indeed grateful to you for being very considerate and care towards the people of Shuri. We look forward and hope that we will work together in the years to come. May God bless you and your family. So before we conclude our today's formal program, with a vote of thanks from the President, Mr. Shang, Shuri Youth Club, we have a cultural song exhibition from the Tangkhul Hawla Ngashan Piri. So before the time of the vote of thanks, I would like to call upon Tangkhul Hawla Ngashan Parimi for their exhibition songs. Thanks.
Oh, Shuri Liwe. Kamatara kayang psychorally kamahang sarano. Leishing roxa, Jiming roxa. Oh, leishing roxa. Oh, Jiming roxa. O Tangkhul ka phung ly, O Tangkhul ka phung ly, li wan ki ko li wan lo li. Li wan ki ko li wan lo li wan o Shuri li wan ne o Shuri li wan ne Shuri li yurga dong ra Shuri li yurga dong ra Shuri li O Shuri nga lay hi Manipur siam yao ra li Manipur siam yao ra li Manipur O siam yao ra li O siam yao ra li Tangkhul sina kong long Tangkhul sina kong long ye Tangkhul o sina kong long ye o sina kong long ye si na chi Tangkhul vi vang ne si na chi Tangkhul vi vang ne si na chi share.
Tangkhul ka phung ram li ka phung ka chui ka chung ka le a tung shong sing chui ma cha ne a sing shong SHIRUI ka shong pi la
Thank you, Tangkhul Haulang Parimi, represented by our Jangter and Guru Ruung for the beautiful numbers. I would like to call upon the President of SHIRUI Youth Club to say the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Today, on this third day of the 4th State Level Shuri Lily Festival, I take this opportunity to give special thanks to our Chief Guest, Shri Yumna Khemjan Singh, Honorable Minister, MAHUD and RDBR Department, for donating and inaugurating the tourist registration guest house and being a chief guest of the day to make this program a grand success. I would like to take the name of Shri Lishyoge Singh, Honorable MLA 44AC Phungyer, for his wonderful speech and being the guest of honor for today's program. Sir, we look forward to creating our land a tourist hotspot destination. We thank our 44AC Ukhrul MLA Shri Ram Muiva for his tireless support and presence from the very first day. I would also like to thank Dr. Hari Kumar, Chancellor Manipur International University, for his insightful speech delivered to us to preserve and protect the lily. Once again, we want to acknowledge and thank our special invitees, Gaudam Mukhopadhyay, former ambassador to Myanmar, Banu Pratap Singh, CEO at Northeast Foundation, President Tangkhul Chinaulong, President Tangkhul Myarang Lalong, President Tangkhul Katam Naulong, and all other special invitees. We thank you all for your presence to make this program a grand success. I also like to thank the special appearance for entertaining us in between, not only listening to the speech, but entertaining us, keeping us alive. I want to thank all the tourists and the crowd present. It is because of you that this program is being fulfilled. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the previous president of SHIRUI Club, who, with his executive, has worked very hard for the construction of that new building which is inaugurated today. They have put all the efforts, and we have the new executive have just entered and taken the name, in fact. So I thank the previous executive for all the tireless effort they have put forward. I would like to thank the villagers. I'll speak in local dialect for this. Iram SHIRUI Wang Nida Kamata Bongili in the tomb, Gdong and the Domidak Levang. Itum SHIRUI Wang Laningishung Midley, Zadvagi the Lelila. Himang limiting like a day daily like a dom rock laga. Itum Kokasada Zadvangaye, Hangaye. A girl Iram Nora Nishinae, Itum Tana being Dong of Vat Jungle, Magashung Jungle, or Samaman the Mroma Dog Hair Jungle. Katamaidra, Kangming Rogaga, programming Shung Vai, the Dom Rogaga, Tana Mikhavang, Tung Donga Nishire, Hangwi Shingae. Last but not least, once again, I would like to thank, on behalf of SHIRUI Club, to our chief guest and his family for their love and generosity. Thank you.
Thank you, President SHIRUI Youth Club, for sharing the vote of thanks. Now we have come to the end of the formal program of the day. However, we have lots of culture and entertainment programs to follow. As we gather here now, the SHIRUI Grand Prix. SHIRUI Lili Grand Prix has been held and in the local village. It's ongoing. And we have entertainment and culture programs to follow. And also, in the evening, we have the first Miss SHIRUI Lili pageant organized by the Seven Sisters Foundation. Let us all be a part of this program. Now, as we conclude the formal session of today's program, I would like to request the chief guest, a guest of honor, the special guests and other dignitaries to kindly inspect the She Chef cooking competition, which will be held in the hall right above the parking area. I would like to request the Event Management Committee to kindly usher our honorable chief guests, guests of honor, and other dignitaries to the venue. And we will be continuing with the cultural and entertainment program. So to start with, I would like to request Kuirumla Winso Chamroy to kindly come to the stage and give us a beautiful performance one more time. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
This is an announcement to the public. This is an announcement. Being America ngay salala mga station mga likap ni pare ka kap adam tran awon kala awon wa khong jilim sa milo awon kala awon wa khong jilim sa milo.
Hello, check. throw a stone in the ocean and tell that stone not to sink. Tell the world to stop turning round. Tell the sky not to be so blue. Tell the rain to stop falling down like tears. But don't tell me to stop loving you. Don't tell me to stop loving you. Tell the past to be forgotten, and tell my life not to exist. Tell a promise made to be unspoken, and my lips not to have been kissed. Tell the world to stop turning round. Tell the sky not to be so blue. Tell the rain to stop falling down like tears. But don't tell me to stop loving you. Don't tell me to stop loving you. I can't do it, I can't stop. It's something that love has seen. Only the broken hearted know the way I feel. Tell the world to stop turning round. Tell the sky not to be so blue. Tell the rain to stop falling down like tears. But don't tell me to stop loving you. Don't tell me to stop loving you. Thank you. Không hold the mid mong the lip lumber. Mid from home bung on kidaba. Dai bung shelap kibagum kalure. Mong lan the ngai hak taurure. Nung shi chirolin bi chimba. Chimba duna hai kiba wa hai kaya. Nung shi na togi mong lan namada. Ai se ai ne kaurure. Nang na lap na lukasu ai di. Nung shi babudi mirai bigan yang na log na lukasu ai di. Thamoy pudi pudu na chad piu nang na lap budi puduna chợt piu nanga lapna Shamlang marum dagi michi momon tambi mishna rum dagi aigi thamoy hubi Shimbal maro leibi wangang nung shi hembi thamoy bunang nalangta nahanbi Chekini kalaga inak dagi lapan mingde Lapkini kalaga thamoy sinami pai jarui Chekini kalasu inak daralay haningi Lapkini kalaga thamoy sinami pai jarui Mga lapna lay kasu aigi Nung shiba budi mirai biganu Nagna lotna lo kasu aigi Thamoy budi puduna chợt piu nanga lapna lay kasu aigi Nung shiba budi mirai biganu Nagna lotna lo kasu aigi Thamoy budi puduna chợt piu nanga lapna Yesu aigi Thamoi budi buduna chet hiu nangda lapna
from Sikkim, and after that we will have Thang Leidang. So Tamang Seloden, Sikkim, please be ready. Dance mayang rang lakala hang na for say. All right, so first, for cultural program, we will have Thang Leidang as the first item, and after that, we will have Tamang Selo dance from Sikkim. Before we start with the cultural program, we will have a song performance by Sandosh Mangang. Sandosh Mangang, the stage is yours.
Hello, hello.
Let me highlight the cultural program for this afternoon. First, we will have we just had a special performance by Winsor Chambroy, and after that we will have, as a cultural program, the first item would be Thang Leiteng, followed by Damang Selo Dance Sikkim, and we'll have a special performance by Hashok Mirum Thao, which will be followed by Chang Ahum Yaumaba, and after that we'll have a special performance from Yulijan Mahong, which will be followed by traditional dance. And we also have a special performance from Mapoichi, followed by Shumang Lilang. Now I give time to Sandosh Mangang for the special performance. Please take your time. Hello. Okay, due to technical problem, we can't have Sandosh performance right now, so we'll have Mapoichi. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mapoichi on the stage. All right, so we will have Sandosh Mangang on the stage right now. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sandosh Mangang on stage.
Hello. अहनबदा अखोगी शिरोई फेस्टिवल असिबु लेंबिरक्लिबा लाई गुरु सिंह इपा इपल इमा इंदोर इसिलिनाव छात्र छात्री खुदिमकपु पांजद्रबाइना इकोगनोना खुरुमजरी करिगुम्बा लानखिबा यावरुबसु गापिगनी थाजै
your beautiful song. Now we will have our very own Oshimo on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please help in welcoming Oshimo on stage with a huge round of applause.
Nhớ chúc là khao gờ tình li mấy cái suy chỉ mít khát tai mà lê yêu vi vai khờ ai vơ đâu vi à con đâu huy đi ngay khờ mà ta xin in lầm à tâm linh nhưng yang ngừng là cái nào vang phong hải sôn ra lời đi ngờ đam lý ra ngờ nai mê bom lo yang nai sôn ha khi li chan sam si đơ ini wi lấy cái gì ini lấy sát thế cha monitor khara đi rồi monitor lui hốt xa lơ lơ panin shon lơ lì cứ râm rớt lơ lơ hanung nai shon ngày ai shon chốc mê sầm phăng ai shon hao tình thân lâm lê lơ bầm quy ngài nơ lê yêu vi vai khờ ngài vơ nâu vi à con nâu huy đi ngay khờ mất ta xin nhìn lầm à tâm lý ninh yang ngừng là cái nơ bom bom hải sôn ra lời đi ngờ lâm lý ra ngờ nai mê bom lo yang nai shon nan kili chan sam si do ini wi lấy cái gì ini lấy sát thế cha yêu vi vai khờ ngài vơ nâu vi à con nâu huy ni ngay khờ mất ta xin nhìn lầm à tâm lý ninh yang ngừng là cái nơ vang bom nai shon ra lời ý ngờ tâm lý ra ngờ nai mê bom lo yang nai shon han kili chan sam si đơ ini wi lấy cái gì ini lấy sát thế cha lấy cái gì nè yêu thương chỉ bên mi ring pa mơ thay mơ nơi ly sam bạc pa rơi hai xa lần lơ lấy shi chinh vật khô Nawi Kamata. Nish Nere. 그 마늘 임태그라 선방그레영 가라나 위미겨 링거 위위하이고 너위야 컨샤도 마파닝 사이야 널리선 펑가라 너위 마이 완리 선풍을해가 내꺼서 총사 Let me know the time Sifurim hayaga Jinali pat my Hita palungama Iyaka kumata Nahan kwisa Vaishiha Natum hausai chi Chot meili Yon haula Naliga tay Narai faluatam Mashun chansam kuiga Tida Pamaro Kauda Hanung Haurali Ilai Wiramli Kanava Taikila Iwi Kapaning Hi Nawi Bankoya Shopping Bagadu Mahan Kwisa Vaishiha Ratum Hausai Chi Chot Meili Yon Haula Naliga Tay Narai Faluatam Mashun Chansan Kriga Mahan Kwisa Vaishiha Natum Hausai Chi Chot Meili Yon Haula Naliga Tay Narai Faluatam Mashun Chansan Kriga
Thank you so much, Amayoshimo, for mesmerizing everyone present here. I think Amayoshimo deserves another. I think we need to show him more love. So shall we all give him a big hand? Now we will kick off with the cultural program. The first item we have here is Thang Ledeng Haiba. There are different styles. It has increasingly proved that the steps, gaits, and poses, swords, and spears dance have contributed a framework in some of classical forms of Manipur like Lai Harawa, Ras Lila, and Sankirtan movements. Of movement for sword and spear, it can be composed into dance form for stages. Here, groups of their skill of free movements. So please welcome on stage Thang Ledeng. Right after this Thang leading performance, we will have a special performance by Yuli Chan, and it will be followed by Damang Selo dance from Sikkim. So please be ready. Thank you so much, Regional Outreach Bureau Imphal, for your skillful performance. Now we will have our very own and talented Yuli Chan on the stage.
Hello? 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 Bài số ấy nơ hi ta ser belunga imanga thấy khăng ai bom lu yi ngai shona nali hang lu na we kar janji ngai shona ngan na bom ngai shona we ji malung marang ke jan kat liko cho cái lạnh ninh ly cái sự cái bom nguy cái chỗ mà hàng chục linh lên ninh ly ngất tung cái bom nguy cái chỗ Ayanana manari hay shan laga kanganing chi kaya kaja ining li imayer now sa si je tanung haura ishishim li manarim rim kanava matay ma ining na ningaja bom lu yi ngai shona nali hang lu na we kar janji ngai shona ngan na bom ngai shona we ji malung marang ke jang khat liko ma pong sho ke leng ning li ke shu ka bom we ke cho ma hang sho leng la ning li ngat tu ka bom we ke cho show khi hang rơ mơ lung khani mơ hàng ngày cơ chan han chi cơ ta mây giờ kỳ chi cơ yêu sang ngày awi tung li khờ bát mơ lệ yar show lá khờ ava mơ thấy mơ ining nơ cơ phani bom lu yi ngai shona nali hang lu na we kar janji ngai shona ngan na bom ngai shona we ji malung marang ke jan khat liko ma pong sho ka leng ning li ka shu ka bom we ka cho ma hang sho leng la ning li nga chung ka bom we ka cho Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yulichan Mahong, for your beautiful performance. Now we will have Damang Selo, and which will be followed by Maboiji, so please be ready. Damang Selo is a folk dance of Damang community, which is performed to the rhythmic sound of tampu, a musical instrument which the dancers carry in their hands. This dance is therefore also called the Dampu dance. Damang Selo is filled with fun, energy, and happiness. So, ladies and gentlemen, Damang Selo.
I'm singing. Hello, cheer. Hello.
Amat gandang apat muktan kilong la sayla juhar
chẳng cứ vì nó làm rồi hồi mấy chẳng cứ lâu cái chỗ hà đi cứ vì nó làm rồi hồi mấy chẳng cứ lâu cái chỗ hà đi
khi lâu là say nó chú hà đi sulo mir đâu ta đi khi lâu là say nó chú hà đi sulo mir đâu ta đi khi lâu là say nó chú hà đi sulo mir đâu ta đi khi lâu là say nó chú hà đi sulo mir đâu ta đi khi lâu là say nó chú hà đi sulo mir đâu ta đi.
Thank you.
That was a good one. Thank you, Dilu Damang and group for displaying the Sikkim dance, Damang Selo dance, gracefully and beautifully. Now we have a special performance from My Boy Chi and AKA from Hahop. This group of people, the hip-hop music genre lovers started to come together for the first time in the year 2014. And they dropped their first performance in a major stage in the year 2018. And this group of people are the ones who bring the hip-hop music genre in the Tangkhul music industry. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a big round of applause for AKA and My Boy Chi from How Hop.
Check, check. Yo, 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 yo. Hello, SHIRUI. What's up? And hello, Ukhrul Town, my How people. And hello, Imphal City. The first song is called Tangkhul. Tangkhul means one day. Check, check. Kanui thought we yatamra haira. Arai to mangali shop gusa. Twinganing wusa. Samaman wusa. Acapellana. And this boy is called AK. He's my homie. I got Rizbo. I got 21K drugs and I got jumping pirates there. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Shout out, man, shout out. Please, once again, shout out to my homies, Maroshi and AK.
Check, check. I hope you guys are enjoying SHIRUI Fest, right? Let me ask this side. Noiri bro, SHIRUI bro. Noiri bro! Yeah, that's the response that I want. Let's go. Check, 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 check. 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 Just while we are adjusting the technical issue, I would like to convey this regard to our leaders for giving us youngsters this opportunity, for giving us, the young ones, the opportunity to perform our art and let you know that we can all coexist.
Alright, thank you.
Sure. DJ,
Yo,
drop the beat,
my boy,
bro.
are you ready to drop the seat?
Yeah, I've been born ready, bro. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Say K on the beat.
Yeah. It's my boy. Inati và shung rơ Upam chili thang come thang cover. Mang sam rong natura shung rơ. Matang marina curly color.
It's never stopped.
Inati và shung rơ Upam chili thang come thang cover. Mang sam rong natura shung rơ. Matang marina curly color. Rất là cho shong for healing.
Balik ang mayang
mali Karong rang kare iwi pekar Masyong queer iwi ng rin Dang kamang kaya ka ina kanwai Miri rai rai kasong ka yirai Yung shot na yung bright Mix yi rai da ili jipun kawai sai Ka atum matay mana Ivan naga yoya tanada Nga shu shokro dang kamang we cool aina Mayo shokra mayo dang we kam mayo taka O ko tuy na nganing mamani ng akertira Inatay iba siyong rudder. Let's go. Inatay iba siyong rudder. Apam chili tang kamatang cover. Mga samrang atura siyong da. Matang maray na gali kala. Twiga hai mi rinli kaya ka na hang ibi. Mga sama rudder kaya ka na zay nga rishi. Bao mau sa đâu ô cơ thuy lì cái ya cái shi đã thấy ngã sắc mi rin vi cái kha cái shim cái sa cái sing y va sao sang lui ngã cơ thuy lì mấy wan chi nô hung mấy truy lui mi rin ting ting truy ta cái hai ta để im mang mấy chốt và mất quy mờ nó mang mơ ninh mơ nè y li yang lu take her where I in my with tattoo like a arrow ka iwang wa cool be between among a but my ear ning chuk poly in an early ili shem kamia imi reaching her sang ka pi kamia bong shamilo wilang a ka tu tamakan gogo ka tu ka yira hi I know in a tay ba shung roda upon chili take a matang cover Mga samrang atura shungdo Matang maray na gali color. That's the first song.
Yeah. It's cool, man.
Let's go.
Let's go. Dance from Babu G.
Check.
Let's go.
Jumping Pirates, I want you all to stand up, man. Yeah, yo. And all the youngsters out here, stand up. Give me the vibe. It's 3:30 early in the morning. Still awake, yeah, I've been dreaming. Got me asking, will you ever make it? Check. It's 3:30 early in the morning. Still awake, yeah, I've been dreaming. Got me asking, will you ever make it? Do you really think that you can make it? It's 3:30 early in the morning. Still awake, I've been thinking deeply. Asking myself, do you really Do you really think that you deserve it? I cannot sleep, I cannot breathe, cause I'm dreaming so high. I feel like I'm not floating. I'ma do me, I'm the late. I'ma let my music speak the way my heart is pumping. And fuck everybody and everything you're trying to tell me. I know what I want and what I'm gonna be. I'm a prophecy, record in the history. My destiny is waiting for me patiently, purposely like tender leaf. When my time come you will see, I'ma make your art culture free and necessary. As I rap, as I bring my heart and let you see how it be. Make you touch it, make you feel. You're gonna tell me my boy G, this is it, this is pure, it's what we need. In the 3:30, it's 3:30 early in the morning. Still awake, yeah, I've been dreaming. Got me asking, will you ever make it? Do you really think that you can make it? Ain't nobody there for me, that's what I feel. All by myself on a journey, Western Hill. Scorching heat, breathing feet and darker lips. Swearingly, I smoke a lot of shit. My juice are yellow when I pee. Fucking, I don't have to tell you this. I'm a G in this scene. My stress are hidden deep like treasury. These enemies are left behind to make a heat. Then my bitches, all they do is hurt and go shit. Blah 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 like I heard of shit. They hate on me, but they praise me. When we meet, that's a lie. They can look me in the eye. I know why. That's because they know that I'm the DOG. Bow bow to your limit grid. Yo, black ship, the rage is coming. 3:30 early in the morning. Got me dreaming, tripping about them guineas. Skirt, skirt with them breaks so funny. Maybe someday I'ma walk up. It's 3:30 early in the morning. Still awake, I've been thinking deeply. The birds shipping while my mind is sinking. Do you really think you deserve this? Ooh. It's 3:30 early in the morning. 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 Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Check. Yeah. Let's go. Drill type. Iraq Naraki. I came from a struggle. Hey. Yo, yo. Rock Naraki pun sige mambada. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rock Naraki pun sige mambada. Rock Naraki pun sisiro. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Adu waitin na te imanaba. Mayam khang nari may chakshiro. Rock Naraki pun sisiro. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Adu waitin na te imunga. Mayam khang nari may chakshiro. Nishagi at yadagi pirate pani. Floating in the dead sea, a big black sheep. Screwed in the head ever since grade 6. So me and safe from my enemies. My life was a sheet, filled with peeps. Cut too deep when my family split. Drinking papa, struggling mommy. Every second I've been putting a hit. Wait, hing lami pun shit. I know to know. Iko wangja kia diya, you know. But a lot of time I try to climb out. Kung sidagi, I'm walking out. No turning back, I'm moving ahead. All my troubles are in the past. Taglabani my own path. I hope you get this rapper rap. You rock Naraki pun sisi. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Aduwa aitan na day manaba. Mayam kaminari may chakshida. You rock Naraki pun sisida. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Aduwa aitan na day manaba. Mayam kaminari may chakshida. Rap about my life, huh? That means I don't lie, all the words that I rhyme, I took it out of my heart. Yala kini awaba kaya, pau kini pun sige tingkong. I'ma ride them all. My mama is a real winner, she gave birth to real fighters. My siblings are all genders. Just wait and see us shape shift like transformers, coming up like pay the papers. Rub your heart like Leicester, cause in the end nothing really matters. Rock Naraki pun sisida. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Aduwa aitan na day manaba. Mayam khang nari may chakshida. You rock Naraki pun sisida. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Aduwa aitan na day manaba. Mayam khang nari may chakshida. Madam lakini ay suwag na hokini. Madam lakini ay suwag na hokini. Rock Naraki pun sisida. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Aduwa aitan na day manaba. Mayam khang nari may chakshida. Rock Naraki pun sisida. I'm struggling a hingi mambada. Aduwa na day na munga. Mayam khang nari may chakshida. I rap about my life, huh? That means I don't lie, yeah. All the words that I write, huh? I took it out my heart. Peace. Peace, peace. Check, check. Okay. Ahansingbu apologize story ko. Music si kya powder de kangdre. Ado powbi ningai honna view hai na request laksari. Noi na cha na su khoi na tawrim ne. Check check. Drink it up. Check check. You. Yo. Let's go. Drink it up, keep it just yeah, yeah, yeah.
Drink it up, drink it
up.
Drink
it up, DJ ne. Check, check. Yeah. Hello, Shuri Lily. Hello, Cool Town. And hello, Infile City. Check, check. Drink, check. Drink it up, pour it out. Hey, some among some ear with toy. Bring it on, break them toes. Word for word, let's walk the talk. Yes, I'm the boss of my own. Every time I come, she'll drop her top. Got them bros, packs of clothes. When they come around, there's all of us. Bring it up, pour it out. Hey, some among some ear with toy. Bring it on, break them doors. Word for word, let's walk the talk. Yes, I'm the boss of my own. Every time I come, she'll drop her top. Got them bros, packs of clothes. When they come around, there's all of us. Sargi chi beside, yo, mirror show got suicide, huh? Bar my thing even fly, yo, they muggy back with eyes, oh, now you hot in the ride, now so long go for die. You look like go for tie, say no excuse just being on the grind, so leave the Leah the show we late. Sometimes I'll be bleeding, but I'm lonely. Younger shipping, younger shipping, Charlie Tado. Shit. Go. Let's start again, bro.
Let's do it, let's do it.
Sorry, sorry. So.
Why? Do it, bro. This.
Yo. Let's go again. Bring it up, pour it out. Hey, some among some look ear with toy. Bring it on, break them doors. Word for word, let's walk the talk. Yes, I'm the boss of my own. Every time I come, she'll drop her top. Got them bros, packs of crows. When they come around, there's all of course. Bring it up, pour it out. Hey, some among some look ear with toy. Bring it on, break them doors. Word for word, let's walk the talk. Yes, I'm the boss of my own. Every time I come, she'll drop her top. Got them bros, packs of crows. When they come around, there's all of course. Sargs chi beside, yo, mirror show got suicide, huh? Bar my thing even fly, huh? They muggy back with eyes, now you hot in the ride, now so long go for tie. You look like go for tie, say no excuses being on the grind. Suddenly I just show me sometimes I'll be bleeding, but I'm lonely. Younger shipping, younger shipping, Charlie Tado. Tangkhul SHIRUI, we couldn't kill it. Drink it up, pour it out. Hey, someone among some little ear with toy. Bring it on,
break them doors. Word for word, let's walk the talk. Yes, I'm the boss of my own. Every time I come, she'll drop her top. Got them bros, pecks of crows. When they come around, there's Pies, park rate, what's sắc ninh ngất trái. Xa khởi cầm mi chinh ngập hít ngai. Các bình Malaysia, ray me right. Xa ngai, chỉ eva sai. Pies, niche me raya, iwi flows. Curry, young low, eva pro. I'm on the go, you'll never know. My name just go to the top, I never stop. So bring it on. They close doors, so I broke it down. Was broke as stone, but the shouldn't have shown. Tick tock, I'm a hungry bomb. I'm just a peasant from underground. Used to never have much, isn't it now? I remember when I was down, there was no one by my side, but look at me now. Screaming at the double vocal, one quilagra. Here are mukta, muya tungli, kangani rum, bitterly, but I'm a fire, so fuck my rivals. Now's my time, get in the line. Ayega, I'm not time. Don't be hasty by the pressure. We turn it to diamond, yeah, grind. You look. Sometimes I've been bleeding by my lower. Younger shipping, younger shipping, Charling Tado. Tangkhul SHIRUI, we couldn't kill it. Bring it up, pour it out, bring it up, pour it out, bring it up, pour it out. Hey, someone mang sung lui with tui, bring it on. Break them doors, word for word, let's walk the talk. Yes, I'm the boss of my own. Every time I come, she'll drop her top. Got them bros, pecks of crows. When they come around, there's all of course. Bring it up, pour it out. Hey, someone mang sung lui with tui, bring it on. Break them doors, word for word, let's walk the talk. Yes, I'm the boss of my own. Every time I come, she'll drop her top. Got them bros, pecks of crows. When they come around, there's all of course. Bite! Yo, sang the evil side. You're so good to sight. Yo, born with an evil fly. They not back with eyes. Yak you hot in the right. Yes, lunga for tight. You little lady. Say no excuses. I'm the grind. Being on the grind. Triple P, shout out to the Jumping Pirates. Shout out to How Hope family. And shout out to my people. Thank you all, Manipur.
Wow, that was an extremely wonderful rapping. Shout out to my boy Chi and the How Hopes. Up next, we will have Thang Yanaba, dribble fight, 1 versus 2 men. This style of fighting is composed from 3 steps of swords. In the fight, 1 swordman handling swordsman, handling swords in both hand, make a contest against 2 experts holding sword with shield. The single swordsman uses an exciting step so as to cover himself with the 2 swords from possible attack and tries to offend and attack against the 2 experts. So give it up for the Thang Yanaba. Right after that, we will have Jumping Pirates, so please be ready.
Thank you so much, Thang Ahumyanabo, for showing us such a skill. Up next, we will have Jumping Pirates. And next, we will have traditional dance from the Government Dance College. And right after the traditional dance, we will be entertained by Hashokmi Rumtao. Adam mazang khwai sa say jin jumping pirates pashin ready cycle stage ku show khwi meolu.
Hello, hello. Ishi jumping pirates when crane as a rabbi beatbox samire, dance a congram samire to ishi program later, Juvang Blue Fan Salo. Yeah, it's young as is lava. Chama Mirin and a Rocco, even Munganing Ramako. You eat out of some rum of Kushan Gajon, a man Gazon. Kain a song you look back to round. Kajino Hotanama. Hey, take a cheetah take in and know we all told. When I'm on the street, in a tone, I bully road. But I lady chiva in a toe a lambo. In a Sarah Chita Ram, Melissa, you we gumbo. Take a queen. No, we can't go. She out with a top, you and mine in a ludo. I came from a lower middle class family. Every people have a right for equality. So don't you try to check my dignity. Feel like I'm drowning in a monkey society. Every day, every time, I just gotta struggle. People don't just have for a little trouble. I don't have a trouble, but I see you like a cougar. Rapping with my homies, Philippines. Staying with my family, feel like chilling. And a brother still like a circle. Red brother shoot like a sharp angle. I slave. Running about the cracker. People on the street about the hate. People on the street about the eliminate. Don't care about the rumor market take. I'm about to speed the birds what I make. Just like a beginner with a perfection. I'm about to go ahead and I'll see the reflection. Go be the tender, let's show some action. Let my flow zone like a slow. You can get it if y'all don't bring it low. I'm about to hit like a gun show. Turn the G to take in a know we alto. When I'm on the street, in a tone I bully roll. Bis a lady chiva in a toe a lambo. In a Sarah cheese her rock, Melissa, you we gumbo. Take a quick, ain't a buy how, no we can't go. She out with a die, you and mine in a ludo. I will win now among the summer coat. Take a Gina Hermana, go Kong Tana Trick Hong Go. Being rich, she love what can never miss with Damaco. Take a Gina Zimina, go Shong Tana, you we do it, go to Shong Go. Achi, you we in a short lead, take a Kunito, Bingo, Uru Walk, go Shong Tana, Rush, Green Sheet.
Mga samla jata kuchu yali mui valakwa Isha bui isha bali ina nikshi Mga ran mirror ma ili pesa aina Mga ran mili awi seha aina Nikshi ili kasema Variable rally nikshi Ina sakayon kaya kalay Ili taka jina pyomi Varishi akarada ina kumashu Jiena zandra Mikumbo akasadak takashi Kasaka majaku Katanga jina sakashi jili Mazabako Kamashu jili ila zanda Mga samlay ina bar Kuchu yali taga ila ganga ning lakwa Ina oka tili rao katu Pesa wibang rao katu maning ba Iwi mirin oka tili oka yelda Jizay kawai karana Taga ila ganga ning re Taga jina te ina nawi alto When I'm on the street ila tone like Holy Road Peace.
Thank you so much, Jumping Pirate. That was an exciting. Oh, we still have one more.
Hello, check. So, my name is Churingam, but if you don't know my name, you can call me Ngam in a short. So that's my nickname. So I'm representing Jumping Pirates, and thanks to all the hosts for giving me this opportunity. So I'm going to drop some beats. Hope you all like it. Drop the bass like switch it up. I don't know what I'm about to do. I don't know what I'm about to do. Switch it back.
drop the beat like.
Thank you so much, Jumping Pirates. Let's all give them a big round of applause once again. And now we'll have traditional dance from the Government Dance College. The title of their dance as well as the song is Tal Nachom, and it is based on Sri Krishna. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. 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 Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
danguru tara tata uru uru tagara nagara tathari Athu kutu kutu danguru danguru Balihari Vipinda Bihari Balihari Vipinda Bihari Balihari Vipinda Tram tata thai Tram tata thai Tram tata thai मैधे गोप कैना विराजिता नकती मैधे नतवर श्री कृष्णा चंद्र धैया धैया ताकितिजा दौ 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 तेरी किते और धा धा निता और तत तत की तत धा धैया धैया धा धा निता और तित्राम तित्था तिनि दौ तित्राम किता दौ धागा तिनि तारा तिनि ता तिनि दौ दौ तत तेरी किता गिना दिनो धागिनी नोकना तत झा किति झा तत झा किति झा तत झा किति झा
Thank you so much, traditional dancers, singers, and the instrumentalists for showing us such a colorful and unique performance. The Sumang Lila group is on the way. They're stuck because of the traffic, but I believe that it won't take much time. While we wait for them, we will be entertained by none other than Winsome. So let us all give a big round of applause for Miss Winsome. Thank you for the patience.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
Đom hầu ra nắng ghi nát từ từng ngao hơn lì trong lơ bờ nắng ghi nát từ từng ngao hơn lì phong độ bằng ngắm bờ chắc nơi nhìn chờ bờ hạp lơ rì hư phá môi nung đờ phong độ bằng ngắm bờ chắc nơi nhìn chờ bờ Ikai ba nang mawari kaya ni Ko'y napagbigay Ikaw lang labada Ning simbira ko Gari kong matadya Ba mangla Nung siba na bao tang mira ko Nang bungay jarang gay Mai kain jarang gay Nang bukan jaba lam lam di ay di Orang gadara layan di nang 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 ginang shiba na thala bathamoy Kang lam gadara pamo ba nang nang Ko'y napagbigay Ikaw lang labada Ning singbira ko 그리움과 사저버 망라 농시바나 바우tam비라고 명봉아이처럼 게 마이킹처럼 게 Nunggu coba lam-lam di aidi Uram gadara pamu benang na Nanggi nungsiba na thala bethamoy Kang lam gadara pamu benang na Koy na pai bichek la Ikaw lang labada Ding sing birako Gay kong bathaja Bamangla nungsiba na Bautang birako Nang bungay jarang gay My game jarang gay
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ms. Winslow, for entertaining us with such a lovely song. And before we proceed with the next entertainment program, we have a very special guest, that is Honorable Kiru Leizitsu MLA Kohima. I apologize if I mispronounce your name, sir. And also Sir Ken Gedetsu, Retired Director, Urban Development. And also we have Sir Azebu Shaiza. We're all pleased to have you here today in this beautiful evening. And also we'd like to hand over a little souvenir as a token of love. So please receive it, sir. And now we will have an entertainment. We will be entertained by none other than Hashok Mirum Tao. So, oh, please give it up for Hashok Mirum Tao.
Oh, hello.
Turn it around till we were upside down. I'll be the bad guy now, and now I ain't too proud. I couldn't beat it, even when I tried. You don't believe it. We do this every time. Seasons change and I let go. Feel the flame cause we can't let go. Run away but we're running in circles. Run away, I dare you to do something. I'm waiting on you again, so I don't take the blame. Run away but we're running in circles. Run away, let go. I got a feeling that it's time to let go. I say so. I knew that this was doomed from the get-go. You thought that it was special, but it was just a sex doll, and I still hear the echoes. I got a feeling that it's time to let it go. Let it go. Seasons change and I know where to go. Feel the flame cause we can't let go. Run away but we're running in circles. Run away, I dare you to do something. I'm waiting on you
Thank you so much, Ashok Mirumthau. That was a beautiful performance. Now we'll have a special dance performance by MT. The stage is yours. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome MT. MT na thumui group china dance we wang ready sai rakha stage na thumui wang chikao mi dele.
Yarino, MD Bashiling Raimuman Lago, Aju Shui Ngzin, program Hilly, exciting Sara Kayaga Leda Cleany, Miss Shuri Lily, the first ever beauty pageant he Hilly Gabangachine, Jeno, Hiwi Wang, Yari Gadong, no, Gadong Kamisada Hilly Rag Zip Mikfai, Kang Hot Kasane. MT Bashino, ready some mandalay laga, Amayoshim na leka, Anawa dom kumi baira, Amayoshim na Kwani shad leka, stage in the lee, Jigad lay, Chuwangino, Amayoshim na leka, Katagwalungli, Kagamigila. Jo, Amayoshim li Yarino, a pang panglaga now she could him yose.
Hello. So bang I shone permanently. When careering upon the hunter, like sheep packers at the lead, like she was
wanna 이닝 좋게 봐내 사랑 한밀로 원나름 너도 내가 쉬위시 아칼리 이위 나오너라는 리 이샤보지다 허르노 이는 라사레 아니는 슬로 댄서레 슬로 댄스 또 시작하자 아원빙 저거에서 시작하자 는 못한데 라사 멀리 것이 맡은 것봐 기사인 이섬 방사도 금마타 그화열러마트이 링가파 그홀러말레이 닝칭리 만나 삼퀴커를 레이그시 너참 히탈라 한밀러 원나rumrada 내가 쉬위시 아칼리 이위 나오가라는 리 이샤바지다 허르노 안무기 삭세고 한밀러 원나rumrada 내가 쉬위시 아칼리 이위 나오가라는 리 이샤바지다 허르노
Thank you so much, Amayoshi. Thank you so much, Amayoshim, and our Honorable Jifkis and his beloved wife. We wish you both a very happy married life as well as a long and healthy living relationship. And now we'll have Hashokmi on the stage again. The dice is yours.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, I don't pretend. Stay by my side even when the world is giving in. No, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want. I need somebody who can love me and my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Sees only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. You stay forever, let me hold your hand. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can. Let me show you love, I don't swim. No, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me and my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Sees only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I'd do the worst. I need somebody who can love me and my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Sees only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I'd do the worst. Thank you.
No, Rashid, I'm sorry. It's Nali Baje. Array inside by your original ne, Tangkhul ne, I mean Nali way.
Suddenly she read a you couldn't Karaisa in the mushu seven chamule your curly machilisa cover lake she we vanga twisa side Canada color make a color hook the army hero you kunali Learning a chana kona maqueen Jeremy changing you blue rigachan Murdering passing the Chinkanuri, Guriji Raidi, Relation, Lake She, Iwivanga Twisasai, Canada Kalamika Kala, Bukta Arami Ira, Yukungali. Kalimachi lilu Ningma kurik lilu No wivangi wivana Wanga shumara wakati nala Legacy Iwivanga twisasai Kanara kalamika kala Upta arami aira yukungali Nali Mi aira yukunginali
Thank you.
Until I found her.
Hello, Che. Hello, hello. Until I found her.
Hello. It is a gentle reminder to those who have parked their vehicles on the way. Those who have parked their vehicles on the way, there is a space in the parking lot, so you may please drive away your vehicles and park it in the parking lot.
Oh, shit.
I repeat, those who have parked their vehicles on the way, please drive away your vehicles and park it in the parking space. There are space in the parking space. Thank you.
Che. Hello.
Baby, wrap me up in all you. I want you in my arms, so let me. Oh yeah, I'll never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I'm falling to. I was lost within a tiny spell, then I found her, I found you. Baby, pull me in, I used to love her. Once again you fell, gotcha. I never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within a timeless spell, and I found her, I found you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashokmi. We are truly grateful to you and for your beautiful performance and beautiful voice. Now we will have a dance performance from Million Dreams. Girls, the stage is yours.
Be the last one. Can't stop, won't stop, shaking in the gunners, cause we get down, baby, we get down. Girls, the girls, they love us. Shit right there, man, shit right there. Can't stop, won't stop, shaking in the gunners, cause we get down, baby, we get down. Girls, the girls, they love us.
Big shot, Mr. Big Shot, Mr. Big Shot, Mr. Big Shot. Got OG, got ziplocs, got rollies, no TikToks. Big shot, Mr. Big Shot, Mr. Big Shot. Mr. Big Shot, got OG, got ziplocs, got rollies, no TikToks. Big watch, big chain, big strap, beat, I'ma put you in a box. Big Mac, bop, big ghost, got cream on the seat, trying to figure who I'm gonna fuck this week, yeah.
Thank you so much. That was a lovely performance. It is a humble announcement to the owner of the vehicle number MN05A5384 to kindly drive away your vehicle. I repeat, the owner of the vehicle number MN05A5384 are kindly requested to drive away your vehicle. Thank you so much. Now we have a special performance again from the one and only Maboy. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Maboy on stage. A reminder to the owner of the vehicle number MN01AS1310. I repeat, it is a reminder to the owner of vehicle number MN01AS1310 are kindly requested to drive away your vehicle. Also, a kind reminder to the owner of vehicle number MN03B7491. I repeat, the owner of vehicle number MN03B7491 are kindly requested to drive away your vehicle. Also, a kind reminder to the owner of vehicle number MN02G2016. I repeat, the owner of vehicle number MN02G2016 are kindly requested to drive away your vehicle. Okay, another reminder to the owner of vehicle number MN06L6427. I repeat, the owner of vehicle number MN06L6427 are requested to drive away your vehicle. Thank you so much.
Check, check, yo, 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 yo. Check, check.
Check, check.
Right.
Yeah.
Check, check.
Yeah.
Yo. Check, check. Yo. Check, check. Yo. Check. Check one mic.
Let's go, bro.
Check. Straight out of UKT. Straight out of a cool town. Check. How boy.
Let's go.
How now, how blood. Young blood. Check. What up? Check. Check mic, it's
Check.
alright.
Yeah.
Yo.
Straight out of the Houston town. How boy, I'm here for the crown. Don't make a sound, hand it to me now. How boy, we're hungry in the hungry night street. You're sorrow in the South night street. For my people, I'm a hustler. I'm the summer of the umbrella. Hey, you can tell them what's in Greek, you and me. Got some 73, mate. Man, you don't need cook, mate. Doing up a name. I want to pop, I want Eminem. I need a Tangkhul. The youngest show also. Don't let you relax, so I was suicide. Tell the number 3, 3, and 3. Ninja Jai, party. Cause I don't fuck with fake. Ninja Jai, we alright. Cause I know how it tastes like. We Quran generation, we Ashi. We the whole Ashi. You shot shit. Cause we could shot shit. But you can stop me. Run, you come test me. How boy. Straight out of Brooklyn town. How boy. I'm here for the crown. Don't make a sound. Head it to me now. How boy. Straight out of Brooklyn town. I'm a clown with the sound like a hound barking loud. Skull kissing around. Yo, fuck 6'9", man, I'm cancerous. Yo, lips right when I speak my verse. Cause I'm making it curse first and then make it hurt slow. More money, more hoes, more glow, more show, more for the po-pos. Boys low key like the underworld. Show me what you got, girl. Holy, who serve? Come get me, come and find me. Yo, screw, no toes, speeding like a Lambo. On a track, no bros, coming with the bolos. Coming to the seaside, let me go. Triple P's, how it blows, we get bros. We don't boss, we don't talk, but we fight, yo. Not the blood of pig, but we gang bang, making that click clack like a handman. When I'm on the beat, I'm a BCs, any MCs, to the MIC, to the NYC, to the boys, straight out of UKT. How boy, sing with us, so scream, how boy. Switch out of Brooklyn town. How boy. Here for the crown. Don't make a sound. Hand it to me now. How boy. How food. How me. How fun.
Check. That's a song from one of my homies who is a rapper growing this thing in Delhi. His name is YP. Young Preacher, shout out to Young Preacher, shout out to Whisper and 21K Drugs. Now, bro, play me that very good. Check. Yeah.
We're enemy.
ini ikuto satron Ishava hi galantiyo Itumi mi wing kipaka kanachon mami Covering me Come on, yo, Ishava ini ikuto satron Ishava hi galantiyo Itumi mi wing kipaka kanachon mami Covering me Sago quick don't ka iwi money mana Ka iwi shim kung na sot na wi vang na Shai ga pa man ga pa la shai kui hewa Chap kung na cha ring ka nga la ma sa paiwa Iya itumi mi ring Ya ka ring ga pa At the ma ka ling ga chok ka chong Kay ka sa ka mang Ka zing ka ro ta ra zing hang Na tui ha man Vat li shi ka zag lu wat mang ha Tang hawa ka ji mga wa Hina shao sang lala nga ka lui shit ka Na tumili sa ya sami jinga Ini tak kemang terang Yo yo Ishawa ini ikuto satron Ishawa ahi kalantiyawo Itumi miwit kibaka kanatron mami Covering me Ishawa ini ikuto satron Ishawa ahi kalantiyawo Itumi miwit kibaka kanatron mami Covering me Matik marakali kala Hina shim go ho Ahi awona atung pali kapo Shami haira mira sara shit sango low Shit sango so Ichinanga wa tuyo liko Avuna yaga haya tama teliko Tara taga haya mamalay mayo Kayang yang chika ka haji yaman sako Inang ha Chien zet va shomo ari ana tabdo ina mga chimo oko tili zet va shom for a how what we mean to sing the Ishawili ikuto sacho Yo yo Ishawa yi galantiyo Itumi miwin kibaka kanachong mami Covering me Covering me Covering me Very long of me Very long of Shami Please We want me say so SHIRUI
Thank you so much, Maboichi, for your electric performance. I think they deserve another round of applause. Thank you so much. The most awaiting item of this evening's cultural program, Shumang Lila, they are setting up. So please stay here and let's enjoy together Shumang Lila. Shumang Lila will be followed by the Muse Shuri Lili, Beijing. So I request everyone gathered here to stay back. A kind reminder to the owner of vehicle number AS01AA3093. I repeat, a kind reminder to the owner of vehicle number AS01AA3093 to kindly drive away your vehicle. Thank you.
Black
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center, opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Infal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center Lee, surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikatata sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly, Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday li na 8 a.m. to 12 noon na. Appointment Vivang 977-406-5535. Call Sami Pai.